Hey there everyone, Julio here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be trying to make an illustration using this fabric tape, I think. So let's see. I was actually looking for washi tapes and I found these in a local store, and it was actually very cheap. They are like pieces of fabric and they have the sticky material on the other side. Okay, and now I will swatch them. I don't know if you can swatch a fabric tape, but anyways, I will be tasting them on paper and see how they work. Anyway, I really like the designs and I have a few ideas, so let's start. Okay, in the first case, I will be using the fabric tape as part of the main character instead of coloring a part of the character, for example the clothes. I will be using this to give it some texture. Just as washi tapes, these are not an art supply, but they are more of a stationery item, so you can find them in craft stores. I will first paint the drawing with some alcohol-based markers, and then I will apply some layers of color pencil to give it some, I don't know, like shadows and lights and more texture to the skin and the hair. Now I will apply the fabric tape and I will try to cover the surface, and then I will trim off the excess with an X-Acto knife. This is really sharp, so you have to be very careful. It is rather easy to trim off the excess since the fabric tape is very see-through, so you can cut it without worrying about damaging the paper underneath. Okay, let's see. I will try to make the line art on top of the fabric tape. Some final details, and that's pretty much it. I'm very happy with the result. So let's move on with the next design. I will be using the fabric tape, but not as a part of the main character, but as a part of the background. So I will first draw the character, then make the line art as usual. I will apply some colors again with these alcohol-based markers. These are really cheap and I like them because they are very vibrant, but sometimes they are too streaky, as you can see. So as I said before, I'm very happy with the result and I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.